All right, let's talk about something truly transformative today, the Toxie Tress Scalp Reset Ritual. Now, this is so much more than just another step in your routine. Think of it as a complete reset, a way to bring your scalp back to its absolute best, creating the perfect, pristine foundation for any style you can dream of. So let's dive right in.
So here it is, the whole journey mapped out for you in 6 beautiful steps. This whole process is designed to do 3 things: purify, rebalance, and restore. The end goal? To give you that perfect, clean canvas, especially if you're getting ready for a protective style.
We're going to start with phase one, which is all about deep purification. These first four steps, they're the absolute core of the detox. They're designed to clear away all that buildup and get your scalp ready for all the good stuff, all that nourishment that's coming later. So let's walk through what you're actually doing here. First, you'll mix the clay. You're looking for this really smooth, almost whipped, luxurious texture. Then you'll apply it all over the scalp. You want to make sure you get really even coverage. After that comes the most important part. You just let it sit and do its magic. This is the detox. And finally, you rinse it all away. It's so simple, but wow, is it effective? It's just incredibly satisfying. So what's the secret sauce here? Well, the whole ritual really kicks off the moment you activate the mineral detox complex. And this isn't just any old clay. It's a special, proprietary blend that's really at the heart of this entire purification process. Okay, let's talk timing, because this is so important. That 10 to 15-minute window, that is everything. This is the detox phase where the complex is really getting to work, doing its most important job. It's literally actively pulling out all that deep set product buildup, those oils, and any residue from both your scalp and right down in the hair follicles. So what is actually happening in those 15 minutes? It's all thanks to this power trio of ingredients. You've got bentonite clay, which is like the heavy lifter, pulling out all that tough buildup. Then there's kaolin clay, which gently absorbs any excess sebum without ever stripping your skin. And finally, activated charcoal acts like a magnet for those really deep impurities. The three of them together, it's a total deep cleanse. And just like that, we move into phase two. After that really intense purification, it's all about bringing everything back into balance. These last two steps are all about nourishing, conditioning, and just bringing this wonderful sense of calm to your newly cleansed scalp. Step 5 is where we introduce the Purify Oil Elixir. And I love this quote because it really gets to the point. This is not some heavy, greasy oil. It's this sophisticated, super lightweight formula that's made specifically to soften, condition, and prepare the scalp. It really does create the perfect foundation for styling. And, the formula itself is so elegantly simple, but it is powerful. The argan oil gives you that gorgeous, lightweight shine and softness. Vitamin E is an amazing conditioner and antioxidant. And rosemary extract, it's just so soothing and really helps maintain that perfectly balanced scalp. See? Every single ingredient has a clear, crucial job to do. And now for the grand finale. The last step is the botanical pH reset complex. And that name, it tells you exactly what it's doing. This is the final technical reset that brings your scalp all the way back to its ideal, perfectly harmonious state. This rinse is this beautiful botanical infusion. You've got green tea and chamomile extracts bringing all their calming properties, and then a little touch of apple cider vinegar to help restore the scalp's natural pH. It's the perfect way to close the ritual. It reduces any potential irritation and leaves your scalp feeling just unbelievably calm and fresh. So, what's the real difference here? Let's look at the before and after. Before you start, your scalp is probably feeling weighed down, there's buildup, your follicles might be clogged. But after, it's completely purified, everything is clear, and your scalp is perfectly balanced. And that, right there, is why this whole thing matters so much. You're not just cleaning your hair. You are creating the absolute ideal, healthy foundation for your hair to just thrive. Now, we talked about those key ingredients in the elixir, but let's peek behind the curtain at the science of how they work together. The vitamin E and the rosemary extract, they actually form what's called the Botanical Antioxidant Complex Plus. It's this very specific proprietary blend designed to condition the scalp while also giving it crucial antioxidant support against all those daily environmental stressors. And honestly, this image just captures the entire feeling of the experience perfectly. That minimalist, luxurious aesthetic, it isn't just for looks. It really reflects the purpose of the ritual itself, which is to bring clarity and calm to your scalp. This is true self-care. So there you have it, a complete system for scalp health that honestly feels like a luxurious spa treatment you can do right at home. The only question left is, are you ready to begin your ritual?